You've watched 50, maybe 100 videos about starting YouTube, and you still haven't posted a single one. That's not laziness, that's a trap. And if you don't break it this week, you might never start. In the next few minutes, I'll give you a simple 3-level system. Even if you have no niche, no time, and no idea what you're doing.
So you've been thinking about starting a YouTube channel, but man, does it feel overwhelming. If that's you, you're in exactly the right place. That feeling of not knowing where to even start is super common, but today we're gonna swap that out for a clear step-by-step plan. Does this sound familiar? Your brain just starts spinning. What's my niche? Is my phone good enough? Do I really need to buy a fancy camera? How am I gonna find time with my job? And seriously, how can I possibly stand out when there's so many creators already? It's questions like these that cause total paralysis, right? You end up in this weird loop of watching videos about making videos, but never actually making one yourself. Okay, so let's get one thing straight right from the very beginning. This is crucial. It's not about making a perfect video. The single most important thing you can do is just to begin. We're gonna shift our entire mindset away from overthinking and get focused on one thing: action. And to make this super easy, we're breaking down the entire journey into 3 simple levels: start, better, and smart. This little framework is gonna show you exactly where you are right now and exactly what you need to focus on to get to the next stage. So let's dive into level 1, which is all about action over perfection. Honestly, this is where most people who dream of being creators get completely stuck. It's the most critical phase to push through. And your mission here? It's incredibly simple. Create videos and upload them. That's it. The mantra for this level is just think less, upload more. Seriously. All those questions about the perfect intro or cinematic editing or whether you should do long form or shorts, all of that is secondary right now. The real priority is just getting reps in. Think about it like your first month at a new gym. You don't walk in on day 1 with a perfect diet and a pro-level workout plan, right? No, your only goal is to build the habit of just showing up. It's the exact same thing here. Your goal is to publish your first 10 to 20 videos, experiment, play around with topics, get used to hearing the sound of your own voice, and just learn the absolute basics. You don't need a perfect niche. You'll find it by actually doing the work. Okay, so once you've built that habit, once you're consistently creating and uploading, you've officially made it to level 2. Now, the focus shifts a little bit. We're moving from just doing the work to making that work a tiny bit better every single time. And look, we're not talking about some massive leap in quality overnight. We're talking about tiny marginal gains, the power of getting just 1% better with every single video you make. The goal here is actually pretty simple. Don't try to fix everything all at once. Just pick one small thing, one little thing to improve in your next video. You won't believe how these tiny improvements stack up over a few months. It's like a massive transformation in slow motion. Now, you'll want to focus those improvements in 2 key areas. First up, technical clarity. Can people actually hear you? I'm serious. A simple fix like turning off a noisy fan in the background can literally double how good your video feels. And second, narrative clarity. Do you have a strong hook in the first 5 seconds? Is your explanation actually easy to follow? This is where you start to plan your videos a little, instead of just hitting record and hoping for the best. And all this progress brings us to a really crucial decision point, one that a lot of creators just skip over. After you've experimented in levels 1 and 2, you have to ask yourself a very, very important question about what YouTube is to you. Your answer here is going to dictate your entire strategy moving forward. First things first, are you being casual about this or are you serious? If you're casual, hey, that's cool. You might just shoot a video when you feel like it. But if you're serious, you get that time isn't found, it's made. You schedule time to script and shoot and edit just like you would for a job or a class that really matters to you. And this breaks down those 2 paths perfectly. As a hobby, your focus is inward. You ask, what do I feel like making today? It's an amazing creative outlet. But as a business, your focus flips outward. You ask, what problem can I solve for my viewer? The goal becomes all about providing value, which is what leads to audience growth and, yeah, eventually making money. So take a second and be real with yourself. On a scale from 0, a pure hobby, to a 10, a full-on business, where are you? There's no wrong answer here, but having a clear answer is absolutely essential because everything we do from this point on depends on it. All right, so for those of you leaning towards the more serious business side of that scale, you need a system, a repeatable workflow that takes you from a blank page to a published video without all the guesswork. And here it is, a simple 6-step process. Idea, then title, thumbnail, and hook, then script, then shoot, edit, and finally, upload and analyze. You see, when you break it down into these clear stages, the whole thing feels way less overwhelming and so much more manageable. Now, listen up, because this is the single biggest mistake that beginners make. They get the order all wrong. They make an entire video, and then they try to slap a title and thumbnail on it at the end. In 2026, that is just not going to work. You have to decide what the viewer will see first, what promise you're making them, and then you go and create a video that delivers on that promise. And hey, let's be clear about what scripting means. When I say that, please don't freak out. I'm not talking about writing a 10-page essay. It's just creating a simple bullet point outline for yourself. Just enough structure to guide you so you can speak naturally and with confidence on camera without getting lost. So you now have the mindset, you have the levels, you've made the strategic choice, you've got the workflow. The only thing left is to make that identity shift, to go from being someone who just consumes content to being someone who actually creates it. And I want you to let this be your final piece of motivation. The people who really win on this platform, they aren't the ones with the most elaborate plans. They're the ones who start the fastest, learn by doing, and get better along the way. So I want to leave you with one final, totally tangible mission. It all comes down to this one simple number. Here's your mission, and I want you to do it as soon as this is over. Take out your phone, open your notes app, and just write down only three video ideas. Then pick one and commit to shooting it this week. No more thinking, it's time for doing. You have the complete roadmap right here to go from feeling totally overwhelmed to hitting that upload button. The path is clear. So, really, what are you waiting for?